Welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to unlock any iPhone from AT&T. So let's go ahead and start doing the process together. So let's go to the first step. Go ahead and open the dial screen and dial the following *#06#. You will get on your screen a 15-digit number. Go ahead and write down this number as we will use it in our next step. Now we can go ahead and turn off our phone. And we're gonna switch to our computer and go to the webpage unlockpanda.com. So the bad news is it's not completely free, but it's a small price to pay for all the benefits you will be getting. So enter the original carrier. In our case, it's AT&T United States. Now the manufacturer, it's an iPhone, so it's an Apple. And now we have to enter the model. In our case, it's an iPhone 8. And then under email, this is the 15-digit number we found out on our last step. And lastly, enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code as well as the instructions. And here you get a chance to look at the delivery time and the cost. And then you can press unlock now. On the following page, you can review your order, make sure everything is correct, and then you can proceed to the payment through PayPal, which is a very secure method payment. After you're done with the payment, you will be receiving an email, which contains the unlock code as well as a step-by-step instructions. So it should look something like this. So for an iPhone specifically, there are two methods. We're gonna go ahead and do it with the iTunes method. So now we have to go back to our iPhone and we have to insert an unsupported SIM. So in our case, any SIM would do it except one from AT&T. And now all we have to do is connect the cable and turn on the iPhone. Once the iPhone is turned on, just go ahead and open the iTunes app on your computer, and you should get the unlock message on your screen. There you go guys, enjoy it.